Hey guys, Pastor Tanner here, and I want to come at you with another one of our Logos buying guide videos. This is for Logos 10. It's our buying guide video number 1, orientation, okay? And what I want to speak to throughout all of our buying guide videos for Logos 10 is this: new users and existing users. So I constantly want to be speaking to both parties, new users and existing users. Now, stick around, because oftentimes what I will say to the existing users applies to the new users and vice versa. But I'm really trying to focus on giving you guys the best information available to you so that you can make the best decision for your purchasing in Logos. So first, let me speak to new users. New users to Logos 10. Why would you buy? Well, there are two general approaches to this. You need to ask yourself, what am I going to use the Logos Bible software for? Okay? Now, many people are looking just for specific resources. They know how they like to do their sermon preparation. They know the resources they like to consult. They know the commentaries that they love. And with those users, they need to focus in on those specific resources. And so you should be targeting base packages or individual purchases that have those resources in mind. Target those and look for those specifically, because if you get the resources you want, you're going to be happy. You don't really care about anything else. However, there's another party that I want to speak to, and this is the party that is much more in line with how I approach Logos Bible software. This is for those people who want to make Logos Bible software an investment. You look at Logos Bible software as a research assistant that is helping you to accomplish everything that you want in terms of your Bible study needs. And that type of approach lends itself much more to a large purchase within the base packages themselves. The power of Logos Bible software multiplies the more resources you have in your library, and this is because of the powerful search function. If you have a large Logos library, you can essentially utilize it as a whole team of research assistants. This is because of the fact that you have so many books that when you search, it's like searching Google, but you have access to resources that aren't available for free on the web. And so you make a search in your Logos library, and you're going to find resources you didn't even know you had that are going to have the exact answer you want when it comes to your sermon, your Bible study, etc. These users are going to want to purchase a base package as large as they can afford. This is because of the fact that you are investing in the software heavily because you know it's going to pay dividends. So if you have determined that your budget is at the gold level, then you should look at my gold buying guide videos and determine from there which package you want within the gold level. If you've determined you can reach the platinum level, then you should do the exact same for platinum. So that's for those kinds of users. Now, one thing that I want to make clear to new users is that Logos has done a better job than ever before at making base packages tailored to those specific traditions. In the past, sometimes they were trying to make resources fit into base packages that wouldn't always quite work. And that actually made my buying guides a little bit more helpful because you needed to know exactly what you were going to get. But I want you to know that if you're a little unsure and you don't want to do a lot of research, you can be pretty confident just purchasing the base package in Logos 10 that is consistent with your tradition, because 9 times out of 10, it's going to have all of the resources you're looking for. Great job to Logos on putting these base packages together. Now, that doesn't mean that my buying guides are obsolete. What if you're a Reformed Baptist, for example? Well, should you purchase the Reformed base package? Should you purchase the Baptist base package? Or should you purchase the standard base package? Or maybe you should mix and match. That's where my videos come into play. I'm going to try to show you the best buys in each of these categories. Now I want to speak to existing users who are interested in upgrading. Now there are two reasons you might upgrade. First, you might upgrade because of feature sets. And secondly, you might upgrade because of the new libraries. Let me first speak about feature sets. Now, this is something that people need to be aware of when they're upgrading to Logos 10. I show all of the cool new features in my video where I introduce Logos 10. However, not all of those features are available at each individual library level, and you need to know that. I don't know how many times I've run into somebody who watched one of my videos, watched me showing all of the features that you can use in Logos, and then they wrote me a comment that said, well, I don't really have that feature available to me. Can you tell me how to get that feature? 9 times out of 10, it's because they don't have a high enough base package level to support that feature. So you need to know about feature sets ahead of time. Not all of the new Logos 10 features are available in, say, the starter package, okay? You need to know how they're broken down. What Logos does is they bring out all of the features, and then they distribute them amongst starter, bronze, silver, all the way up to gold. Now, they do this because they're trying to help you out. They don't want you paying for features that you're not going to use. But it can be a burden because at times they don't know which features you're going to be interested in. So I'm going to try to spell that out for you right here ahead of time. Now, when it comes to Starter, the new features on Logos 10 that are available in Starter are the improved layout, okay, that I talk about in my video, and also the beefed up search function that's available. You have a lot more advanced searches available to you right there in Starter. They also have some slightly improved mobile experience and a few Factbook hot link tabs, but you don't have all of them. And that's about it, okay, when it comes to Starter. This is the bare bones approach to Logos 10. Starter is really focused more on getting the libraries. So if you want a lot of the new features, you're probably not going to be happy with Starter. Now, with Bronze, they're really focusing on the mobile audience, okay? And so, with Bronze, you get the read aloud function in mobile, and you also get the translation function in mobile as well, but not for the desktop. You need to recognize that. You also get many more Factbook tags, so if in the desktop app, you're really looking to utilize the Factbook tags, you're going to get a lot more in Bronze. But again, Bronze is targeted towards mobile users. Just remember that going in. Now, when it comes to Silver, here's where you're getting a lot of the upgrades that have to do with sermon preparation. They're focusing on people who prepare sermons or people who prepare lessons. So you're getting the sermon importer that I talk about, and you're also getting the sermon popular quotes tool. These are both available in the Silver data set, and so you're going to want to upgrade to at least the Silver level or purchase the data set separately if you want these functions. You're also getting several more interlinear upgrades, and you're getting many more workflows, especially workflows that are associated with sermon preparation. So that's what you're getting with Silver. Not only that, you're also getting the Lexham Dictionary of Church History. This is a new introduction with Logos 10. It's a really cool resource, but it's separate in Silver. Finally, go to Gold if you want all the new features. So if you're asking yourself, Tanner, I just want all of the new features, either you want to purchase the full feature set or you want to purchase a Gold base package because that comes with the full feature set. This comes with the translation in the desktop app. It comes with the add books to your print library function. It comes with the NASCL Handbook of Christian Apocryphal Literature. All these cool functions that I was showing, these all come in the Gold or the full feature set. So you're going to want to recognize that. Now, if you're purchasing an academic base package, you need to know that the academic packages have a feature set all their own, okay? So they have the layout, they have the beefed up search, they have the Factbook, and they have the translation in the desktop app. So you can get all of that in the academic base packages. Not only that, you get the read aloud in mobile, and you get the NASCL Handbook for Apocryphal Literature. But you are missing the sermon importer, the sermon quotes function, and the print library integration. So those are three pretty big features. Now, if you're getting the academic packages, Logos assumes you don't need those features. But if you want those features, academic packages might not be right for you, or you may need to supplement with the full feature set. So that's for all of those who are purchasing Logos 10 as an upgrade for the features. Finally, if you're looking to jump into Logos 10 for the new books and the new libraries, that's where all of my videos come into play. We're going to be going through all of the base packages, Starter, Bronze, Silver, all the way through, and in each video, we're going to review each tradition as well. I'm going to give some of my best buys and some of the really good resources you're going to want to focus on for each of the packages. So that's what these videos are all about, so that you can decide, hey, I want to upgrade to this level, and I'm going to purchase this specific base package because it gives me the library resources I want. All right, that's enough for this video. This gives you the introduction to my Logos 10 buying guides, and now you're going to want to look at the specific level that you have a budget to purchase. Is it Bronze? Is it Platinum? Look for that specific video. I'm going to try to point you the right direction. All right, take care. God bless. Bye now.